Hi everybody, my name is Molly Kate. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm super excited because I am unboxing the iPad Air Generation 4 and Apple Pencil. So this is a pretty big deal for me because I've never owned an iPad before. I have been wanting one for years and finally just told myself that now is the time to just bite the bullet and finally invest in myself and just finally get one. So very excited, feeling very grateful, and also very excited because I got such an amazing deal on it. I got the iPad through Best Buy, and the particular one that I got comes in the rose gold color and it's the 64 gig. Now I will say the other option for the iPad Air is the 256 gig, but for whatever reason I had the 64 gig bookmarked on my laptop. That was just the one that I guess I found like a year ago when I first started looking. Probably price-wise, that's probably why I bookmarked that one, because it is like a $200 difference. It was $5.99, but then the other day I was talking to my husband about how I'm just really wanting this iPad still, and he said like, well, why don't you pull it up and like let's look at it again. And I looked at it and it said, deal alert, an item that you bookmarked is now on sale for $3.99, $200 off. So I was like, you know what? Now's the time. I'm just gonna get it. So then I got the Apple Pencil, which was $99. Usually it's $150. So overall, you know, like a lot cheaper. So that's kind of how and why this came to be. But I will say, I'm not sure why I had the 64 gig bookmarked originally, because I do plan on using this for like editing and photos. So I'm a little nervous that it's not going to be like a ton of storage, because my phone is 256 and that's pretty good. But you know what? I like a challenge accepted. I don't want to just like throw my whole digital life onto this iPad for sure. So I might actually be like really nice trying to keep photos, you know, like to a minimum. My phone that has 256 gig has like 70,000 photos on it, and it's a little much. So I'm not gonna do that with this. Just gonna keep the photos I need when I'm doing a photo shoot. Any photos that I don't end up picking to edit can just be deleted. There is no reason to keep them. I just wanted this because I am an artist and I will be doing a lot of editing, drawing, you know, like in Photoshop, Lightroom. I want to try Procreate, which I've never tried before, so definitely felt like Apple Pencil is what I see people using. So that's why I got that. And then I want to show you the screen protector and the case that I picked out. This is the screen protector, also from Best Buy. I will link all of this down below. And I feel like this is going to be a good option. It's for Apple iPad Air, 10.9 inch, and then also Pro 11. I don't know, I guess it'll work on both. But I want to say this was like 20 some dollars, so it was actually more expensive than the actual case. And I don't see a lot of people buying these, but I'm like, I would rather have this than a case. Like, I'd rather this come first. Like that, all those cracks, that's my screen protector. Like, that's why I knew I need a screen protector for this the second I open it. So not least, the case. This is just from Amazon. I think this was like $13. It is also rose gold, so sensing a theme. And eventually I would like to get a case that has a keyboard on it, but you know what, just for starters, no reason you can't just like start out with like an inexpensive regular case and then work up to, you know, like one of the magic keyboards. It's time to open it. So this is the box. Guys, I don't really do unboxing videos. This like makes me feel really weird. Here it is. There's this little tab here. with this little down arrow. So I guess this is where we open it. I'm like nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. I can't open it. Yay. Oh my God, it's pink. It is so light. Oh my God, I like can't stop freaking out over the color. This color is so perfect. It's very light. It's like literally, I was gonna say like air. Makes sense. I do like a good amount of traveling, so I would much rather have this in my carry-on than my giant 15-inch MacBook Pro, especially when I don't even know if I'm gonna use my laptop while on a trip. I always like to bring it just in case, and then half the time don't even end up using it. So that's like the main reason for wanting an iPad, and this is already just so much lighter and just will take up so much less space. So perfect. I don't even want to touch it. It's so thin it won't even focus. We have the power button on the top here, right there, and then it just has the one camera. The Pro has 3, but I don't plan on using this for the camera, so didn't mind that feature. So that's an advantage to saving money and getting the iPad Air as opposed to the Pro. If you're not going to use it for camera, then it doesn't really matter if you upgrade to the Pro. Just stick with the Air, save the money. The iPad Air has better colors and is thinner, lighter, and you don't need all the fancy cameras. So that's why I think it's the better deal, because it's cheaper too. Okay, so going back to the box, I got ahead of myself. It says designed by Apple in California. We got a charger, which was really nice of them to include because they don't always do that. So excited about that. And this looks like the same charger for my AirPods. Okay, so before I put the screen protector and case on the iPad, I'm going to unbox the Apple Pencil. So this is the Generation 2. This is what connects to the iPad Air Generation 4. And again, I got it for $99 at Best Buy, but it's usually $150. So it was on sale. I definitely recommend, you know, just bookmarking it on your computer, on your phone, and then you'll get alerts when there's like a deal or the price goes down. So I will leave everything linked in the description below, but definitely recommend, you know, just clicking on them, looking through the inventory if it's something you're looking for, and then bookmarking it. Again, there's a little arrow telling you where to open. Apple Pencil, and this edge right here is smooth, so it can connect to the iPad, and then the rest of it is curved. My initial thoughts, just like holding this for the first time, is that it's a lot heavier than I envisioned, which is really nice. And like I said, it's just this one edge that is smooth. I believe this is where it connects, and then the rest is curved, and it just says Apple Pencil. I do believe that you can get it engraved, but I think that's only like if you order through Apple, whereas I placed my order at Best Buy. So yes, like that. Okay. Okay, there it goes. That was like a better click. No. Okay, I need to put the screen protector on. I think I'm going to ask my husband to help me put the screen protector on because he's like really good at that. So you think that that's definitely like a skill? I feel like not everybody is good at screen protectors. I don't know, comment down below if you disagree. Alright y'all, I'm back. My husband helped put the screen protector on and it is literally perfect. It doesn't have any bubbles or dust or anything. I definitely can already say that so far I recommend this screen protector because it came with everything you need. It came with the polishing cloth, like dry wipes, wet wipes, everything you need, little stickers to make sure you're putting this on evenly, and it was a pretty quick and easy process. I still think he did it better than I probably could have, but I think it's just definitely worth having a screen protector. It's also like glass, like this is a glass screen protector, so I feel really safe with it. Like I said, it was like $20 some, but I think it was worth it. I will link the screen protector down below. You can see it on the edges since it is like kind of like beveled. Can't really tell. You can see that there is a screen protector on it, but I think once you put the case on here, you're not going to see those edges. So let's put the case on. This is the case I picked out from Amazon. I will link it down below. It was pretty inexpensive and I got it because it was rose gold. Again, one day I will get a case with a keyboard on it, but for now, I mean, I think this will work great. Here it is. Okay guys, it was literally that simple. It literally just popped in even with the Apple Pencil on it, and then it just folds over. So here it is. So in regards to the case, I will say I can see why a lot of people lose their Apple Pencils because it just kind of like chills out on the side here. Maybe, I'm not sure if the new cases with like the keyboards on them have it where the pencil can be encased. I do know that when it's connected to the iPad like this, it actually charges it, which it doesn't have any like buttons on it or anything. Like it's literally just like a stylus, you know, like it kind of gives like DS vibes. So not really sure why it needs charged, but I'm sure as I learn how to use it, it will start to make more sense to me. So right now it's just gonna chill out right there in this little case, and I think so far I'm pretty happy with it. And then of course this folds back. So this is where I'm going to end the video. I'm not going to start it up right now because my camera is dying, and honestly I'm just gonna go through the manual setup on here. I know from watching other videos that once you do turn on the iPad, it will give you an option to automatically sync your phone to it, but I want all new info on here. Like I don't want everything on my phone on here, so I'm gonna go in and manually set it up. So stay tuned for my next video. Thank you all so much for watching, and subscribe on your way out. I will see you next time. Bye guys.